Folks, I'm your man Yuba here at St.Albert Dodge. Thanks for sticking around, checking out the exterior walk around of this beautiful Laramie 2021 3500. Sorry about that. Like I said earlier, it's got the AC transmission, so if you use a vehicle more or less for towing, that's the transmission you want into it, especially because it's geared definitely a bit lower for your towing. This is a beautiful unit. The previous owner took great care. It's got 3M package all over it. Love the lights. Got our nice driving lights. We got our sensors down here. We got our recovery hooks. This also comes with a nice camera right here. It's got nice aggressive tires. We got our nice aggressive mud flaps. Just being ready to go, ready to tow. Open up our door. Down comes the power running boards. 360 camera all around. Come on all the way back here. Love the black accents. I love the little step up here. A little bit of dirt, but you know, gets used sometime. Black on black. Love the black accents. Got our backup sensors here. We get our 4 to 6 pound. If you come a little closer, this is what I really like about it. It's got your wiring diagram on there, so you don't need a light to sensor. If something goes wrong, you don't need that check light just to follow out. Soft dampening tailgate, spray-in box liner, fifth wheel group. Let's check out the inside. Thanks for sticking around and checking out the interior of this Laramie 2021 Ram 3500. This thing has all the bells and whistles, folks. We'll start off over here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Got our seating positions here. We also done on the side of our wheel down here somewhere. Oh, you never find it. We got our pedals that go back and forth down here with a little switch. Telescopic steering, just up and down. Your little gear shift here. What I do like about this trim level is that over here on the mirrors, you can put on your convex mirror. If you look very closely, you can see your convex mirror moving back and forth. We can control that, just a touch of a button here. Adaptive cruise control, Bluetooth capability on your left, on your right, so your cruise control. Toggle switches on the back, radio station on your left, on your right you got your volume. This thing has like 31,500K, folks. This thing is immaculate. Also comes with a 12-inch screen, heated, ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. This thing got our trailer brake. It's all ready to go. But check this out. It's got a mirror right here. Just a little flick of the switch, and it's got another camera on the back so you can see something right behind you. Lots of options. One thing I do like about this one is, other than the leather, lots of space. And if you're going camping, you never know, you always got that spare kid that might want to come around, or that spare in-law, which goes along too. Lots of storage space. So if you like what you see, folks, give me a shout. That's Yuba at St.Albert Dodge. Forgot to mention, this thing also has heated back seats. So if you want to ride in comfort, give me a call, 780-220-3822. Look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day.